Let's give you a tour to see how we change an aluminum brick into the world's most precision solar storage system, Fox EVO. Our journey starts with a solid aluminum brick, which is melted into liquid under high temperatures and poured into precision molds. After cooling and demolding, it forms the world's largest one-piece cast enclosure. Fox EVO uses a die-cast aluminum enclosure with a simple modern design. Lightweight and strong, which makes it more stable. Using automotive-grade high-performance battery cells, Fox EVO adopts high-cycle, high-stability LEP battery units, ensuring exceptional endurance, stability, and long-lasting reliability. Through innovative integration technology, Fox EVO merges the traditional power board, control board, and BMS board into one-piece manager board, significantly enhancing collaboration between inverter and battery and setting a new performance standard in the industry. Compared to traditional systems, Fox EVO is 30% more compact and 20% lighter, delivering a more streamlined and portable energy storage solution. Fox EVO features IP66 protection to withstand harsh environments and combines compact design, exceptional durability, and industry-leading performance. Fox EVO, a fully integrated revolutionary energy system, unlocking infinite possibilities within a compact space.